The Center on Asian Americans and the Law at Fordham Law School Lincoln Center is a center first of its kind dedicated to civic education, scholarship research, and public advocacy in a relatively neutral way about Asian Americans, their history, and their interactions with law and the rule of law in this country. I'm a co-director of the center with Judge Denny Chin, who's my fellow co-director, and we started the center together. Pretty much had the idea for it about a year and a half ago.
In part because of all of the anti-Asian violence that was occurring, all of the issues that were being raised. The country was struggling with issues of race. We decided that it would be a good thing to start a center on Asian Americans and the law.
My parents are Korean, and we came to the United States when I was a small child in 1974. I think that, like most Asian Americans who've come to this country in the past few decades, we're not aware of, or I personally wasn't aware of, the extent to which there's rich history of predecessors who are Asian Americans and the lives they led, and the extent to which the troubles and the successes and their particular individual lives intersected with law and legal institutions like the courts.
I was born in Hong Kong. I came to this country when I was 2 years old, but the story starts long before that. My grandfather actually came to this country in 1916. He lived in Chinatown in one of those railroad apartments, a single Chinese man in each room. Every month, like them, he'd go to the post office, buy a money order, send it home to his family. But then the immigration and naturalization laws finally were relaxed. He was able to become a citizen, and he became a U.S. citizen in 1947. And in fact, I believe he was sworn in the courthouse where I sit now. Because he became a citizen and because the immigration laws were further relaxed, he was able to bring us here in 1956. All of this history is very important to me. You know, it touches me in a personal way. I think my grandfather would be very proud. I think he would be very pleased that we are doing this and teaching about the struggles that he and others had to endure and how really they blazed trails for all of us.